Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's find the camera app, let's tap here, and now in the left upper corner we've got the settings, so let's tap on it. As you can see on the second position we've got self timer, so let's choose it. Now it is obviously off, but we can choose from 2 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately applied. Let's get back and let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on this device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's go back to the settings, tap on self timer and choose 2 seconds. Let's get back. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. Now let's turn off the timer, go to the settings and click on off. Let's get back. And as you can see, from now on this device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.